difference, babes. Hi my loves, it's Maya. So today's video I filmed my eyebrow routine. This is what I do when I need to shape up my eyebrows. Sorry, I'm looking down because I'm looking at my eyebrows. I'm like, what do I do? And then I showed you guys how I fill in my eyebrows too. You guys have seen me fill in my eyebrows before, like it's nothing new. I do it all the time in my videos, but this is like, you know, I don't even know, like an in-depth version, I guess. But yeah, this is the finished eyebrows. I don't have any other makeup on just because I was too lazy. I'm so sorry. I was just too lazy to do the rest of my face. I apologize. I did put on lip gloss though. You're welcome. My voice is a little my voice is a little raspy because I did wake up not too long ago. So please ignore that. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so from now, I'm gonna start on doing my eyebrows. Going to brush them out a little, just to see like the shape that I want. And I know the shape that I want now because I've done this a couple of times. So I'm just going to shape my eyebrows the way that I like. If you want to see how I got to know the shape of my eyebrow, then I will link the video somewhere in the cards. I did a whole like quarantine eyebrow thing, so it should be there. First, I'm going to just do my unibrow thing right here. It looks good on some people, just not me, unfortunately. I'm just going to shave around my eyebrow. Not too much, not too close, just around it, just so that I know the kind of vibe that I'm going for with my brows. What I will do is I'll actually thread off the bulk of it, like underneath here. So I just have like my string and I put it into like a little loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I just start threading. Oh my goodness, it's been a minute since I've done this, so my eyes is watering. I always try and make sure that like I stretch out my eyebrows. Like I don't know how else to say that, because you're supposed to have like your eyebrow taut. So normally when you get your eyebrows done, you hold it like this, but like obviously I'm only one person, so this is as good as it's gonna get. And then from there, I'm just gonna start tweezing my eyebrow. So I want to I kind of like an arch in my brow. It normally takes me a minute to do my eyebrows, if I'm being honest, and get them how I want them to look. Because I feel like it looks one way in person. Like I'll look in the mirror and it looks one way, and then I'll take a picture and it looks a completely different way. So this eyebrow is very sparse, like at the front, so I don't like to touch it or anything like that. But I'm just going to take out any thickums hairs that I see and that are unwanted. And I always like to make sure that I like look in my smaller mirror and then I look in like my big mirror and see how I feel. Normally I do it over here with my bigger mirror, but we're filming today, so it's a little different. Okay, I'm going to shave down the rest of my eyebrow. is I will like shave some of it off, and like especially here at the front, just so I can get like a little sharper edge here. And honestly, I just follow my eyebrows natural thing, except this one, because this eyebrow's natural shape is messed up. Period. Okay, so yes, this is my bad eyebrow. Girl, I know. It looks like it's missing hair here, and it is. It is missing hair there. But what can I do? Not much. This is it. This is the brows. They look good though. They do. I think so. Especially this one. Ooh, I snapped. I forgot to cut down my hairs at the very front. I normally just take these front little hairs here and I stand them up. Nothing crazy, just a little. What does that do? I don't know. I just seen the girls do it, and my eyebrow lady used to do it, so that's what I do. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. Like I said, I have naturally pretty thick eyebrows, so like I don't like to do too much or else it looks weird. Normally I just use a pencil. Oops. My lips are very like puffy too because I just woke up. Oh my goodness. Currently I'm using this Essence Micro Precise pencil, and honestly I just find any brow pencil that I can. Before I was using the LA Girl, I want to call it like the Shady Slim eyebrow pencil. I was using that before. And then for eyebrow gel, I have my clear mascara from Maybelline, and then I have the Anastasia clear brow gel. This one is like nowhere near as good as this. So yes, this one is cheap. I've actually had this for a really long time, so I don't that's probably why it doesn't work as well as two, because it's very old. But this one is so good. It was only $13 and it's the mini version, so I'm not sure how long this is gonna last me, but I feel like it'll last me quite a while since I don't normally really do my eyebrows like that. So I'm just gonna use the Essence Precise Micro Precise eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna be using just the end of this eyebrow pencil because it has a spoolie. And then I'm going to lock everything in with my Anastasia clear eyebrow gel. So I just start by brushing out my eyebrows and kind of putting it into the shape that I want. And then I go in with the eyebrow pencil and I just kind of just lightly line the underneath of my eyebrow. And then over here, and I just fill in any sparse areas with some short hair-like strokes. You know how the girls used to say it. And I also like shape it a little here too. And then I go in with my spoolie and I blend everything out. And then as I blend, product like just kind of leaves, so then you go and you add a little bit more product. Difference, babes. Okay, and then for this one, this is like my struggle eyebrow. So I have to do a little bit more to like this area and also like here. And then I will just set it with the clear eyebrow gel, and I'll put all of the hairs in place of where I would need them to be. And I like to bring this part up a little bit. Like I said before, my eyebrows are the literal definition of sisters, not twins. I would even say like cousins almost, depending on like where I'm going. If I'm doing a full face, then I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. So I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Anything that's a little closer to my skin tone, but like not my exact skin tone, maybe like a couple shades lighter. Normally I use my highlight shade, but not like my, not my serious highlight shade. My couple shades of lighter than me highlight shade. And then I just go underneath here, and I use a flat brush. This is an eyeshadow brush that I got from Walmart a few years ago. And I just go in and I just clean up. Okay, yeah, so I don't really do the top of my eyebrows because it just, normally my foundation does the top. I just think it looks a little bit too harsh if I do the top. I won't do the top like unless my eyebrows are really, really bad and it's like hairs everywhere, then I'll do the top, but normally I don't do the top. I will blend it out either with a sponge or with a brush. I'm just gonna use a brush because all my sponges are dirty right now. You have to be really careful when you do like in between here for your eyebrows to make sure that when you put on your foundation, you get in between here too, just so that you don't have like, I don't know what people call it now, but it looks like a bird is on your eyebrow, like on your face. But yeah, so that is how I do my eyebrows. Oh, I think they look good. So here is the finished brow. And I'm not gonna put on makeup today because I have work later. And I just don't really like wearing makeup to work. I apologize. This is just an eyebrow tutorial. If you would like to see how my eyebrows come out in a full face of makeup, I have a lot of makeup tutorials. Not makeup tutorials, get ready with me's on my channel. So I'll put one in the cards here, just my latest one. But yeah, so these are the brows. You know, I really do love a good eyebrow. It's true. And I like how my eyebrows look, you know, like I said, this is like my struggle eyebrow. So sometimes it doesn't look how I want it to look, but most of the time it does. Like right now, I kind of like how it looks. But this one, I don't know how I feel about it. And that's just the beauty of eyebrows. You know what, I'll put on, just for you guys, I will put on some lip gloss. This is my eyebrow routine. Ignore the fact that I don't have any other makeup on my face. Like I said, I will link some get ready with me's somewhere in the cards. I'll link it for you guys so that you can go see my eyebrows in action, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.